Wow.
No lie. And author of On the Road with the Ramones. Please welcome Monte Melnick. Cut your name right on. Next, a writer and musician in his own right and the brother of Joey Ramone. Please welcome Leigh. Next, a contemporary street artist, graphic designer, illustrator, and activist, and #1 Ramones fan, Shepard Fairey. Our next guest has recorded and produced a bunch of artists as diverse as Talking Heads, Peter Wolf, Mick Jagger, Joan Jett, Marshall Crenshaw, the Smithereens, the Motorhead. We could go on and on. More importantly, he was the engineer or producer on 6 different Ramones albums. Give it up for Ed Stasium. Yes, indeed. Next, the man who's responsible for exposing the Ramones to the wider world. He gave them a record deal and a platform to release their debut, the legendary founder of Sire Records, Seymour Stein. Right down the end here, right by me. There you go. Next, a multi-platinum selling artist whose hits include Rebel Yell and White Wedding. Give it up for Billy Idol. A woman whose inspiration and support helped make the exhibit possible, the wife of Johnny Ramone. Please welcome Linda Ramone.
Scott, before we get started on the proceedings, I think there's something really important to say. These first 2 guys I've known since I'm 10 years old, so I want to give a salute to the drill sergeant, Johnny Ramone. And hey ho, let's go to Tommy Ramone. A big pat on the back to Dee Dee Ramone. To the somebody who put something in my drink, cheers to Richie Ramone. I'm glad to see you, to CJ Ramone. A crown to the king of the road, Marky Ramone, because he just keeps going and going and going and going. And a thank you very much to Elvis Ramone. A swing and a hit to the sire of SWAT rock, Sir Seymour Stein. Well, we gotta go to the namesake of the song, Danny Says Fields. Credits to Craig Leon, producer of the first one. A nod of the head to Mr. Ed Stasium. Let's see.
Okay, are we ready to go?
Yeah, I just want to say also one more thing.
One more thing.
To the first guy I saw when I first opened my eyes, to my big brother Joey Ramone. Right on, motherfucker.
Right on.
Thank you.
So